How to recover Dropbox account. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to teach you how you can do it. So let's get started. First thing you can do is open up Dropbox application on your screen, and you should be finding sign in and login option on your screen. So you can look out for this login option on your screen and tap on it. Once you tap on it, it will give you options to go ahead and log in into account. You can use your Google account in order to do so, or use your email in order to continue the process. Since we are recovering an account, we should be finding an option of having trouble logging in. Look for that option and tap on it. And once you tap on it, it will show you some options. Like if you've forgotten your password, single sign in, email me a sign in link, or sign in with Apple ID. So let's head over to forgotten your password. And all you gotta do is, in order to recover your account, you may type in your email address first here. After that, tap on send email, and you will be getting instructions for resending your password. Just follow the instructions and go ahead and recover your account. And that is it. So you may also follow up the same process if you want to recover your Dropbox account as well. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you in another video.